Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this um, Acura RDX 2007 key fob. Um, Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that caused to your key. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, this is for Acura RDX 2007. And it start losing power, so that's why I'm going to replace the battery. Okay, so you're gonna need two screwdrivers and this opening tool. So also the battery. This one use model CR1616. Okay, most of them use the same battery, but just make sure you buy the right one. Okay, so we're gonna use this. This is a flat. This is a Phillips screwdriver and a flat one, and the opening tool. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, you see right here, it has one screw right there. So you need to remove that screw. Okay, it's right there, put it on the side. And then from here, we just try to open it right here, look at right here. And this, okay, it come out everything, okay, but this one goes here and this one goes here. Let me put it back so you can see it like that. So when you take it out from here, looks like that. So put this on the side, the battery is inside here. So now with the flat screwdriver, go here. Let me show you right here. Right here, see? Come out. Okay, leave this on the side. And the battery is right here inside. So let me see. This is how it looks like. The front. And from here, we need to open it. Okay, so we're gonna use the opening tool here, so we don't damage the plastic. Go between and kind of twist it right there. Okay, and right there is the battery. Okay, let's put this on the side. And now we're gonna remove the battery with the flat screwdriver. So you just hook here on the side. Okay, right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a CR16 Sony. This is Sony, but it doesn't matter what brand you choose. I don't know if you can see it. You see CR1616. Okay, so I have the new one here. Okay, I need a knife to cut it. Let me see. I can. Be careful, don't injure yourself. Okay. So right here is the new one, and this is the old one here. So as you see, the same size, and it's the same model. Okay. So remember to put it. The letters go underneath, so right there. Okay, you gotta click, so right there. Okay, so now let's put this back. Remember this little it's like this one, these connections, like this little star, go on the top of the battery. So right there, and then close it the 4 corners. Make sure it's all the way through. Okay, so right there. See the light? Okay, so now let's put it back inside this. Like that. Make sure it's close it well. Okay, so now let's put it back here. You see this little plastic? Make sure it goes inside here, okay? Right there goes inside here, because that's how it holds the screw. See, right there. Okay, check around before you put back the screw. Okay, so now let's put back the screw. Right there. Use the Phillips screwdriver. Okay, see the light here? But let's go and see and try it, okay? So here is my beautiful car. Okay, it's working. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please subscribe, give me a like, check my other videos. Thank you. Have a great day.